spirit-filled, so loving, so gracious to everybody that comes through the door, and hospitality, music, everything.
The music's phenomenal. The hospitality, they have an amazing gift of hospitality. I've been coming here for about 10 years now, and I come with children, and at various times my children absolutely love it. They feel part of the community when they come, and they're always looked after. And sometimes when you maybe need a little bit of quiet time with the Lord, they are very happy to look after your children for you. But I think it's the feeling of safety here, and there's such a feeling of peace. And actually driving up the road from Glasgow, it's like your troubles just fall away.
If you'll please stand for a reading from the Holy Gospel.
My faith is important, and coming on retreat is important for me because it helps me to, well, as Father sort of said last night, sort of make that break, have that holy break, to be able to recharge, as it were, and spend time with Jesus and away from the hubbub of modern life.
The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to Lord Jesus Christ.
St. Francis felt this revolt and also this terror. Oh no, a leper. But because God had started to speak to him, and because God had told him that he was going to be showing him shortly what his will was for him, St. Francis got off the horse and ran to the man, and putting money in their hands, and kissing their hands, and kissing them on the mouth.
This is a beautiful experience for me. Never had been on one of these journeys before, retreats. I've never been one in my life, and such a late age in my life. It's been wonderful.
They certainly don't come away from here saying, "Oh, we've had prayer overload" or anything like that. It's quite the opposite. It's something that just seems to be very natural for them, and they absorb it really really well, and it's wonderful for me having that much prayer without any boredom as well on their behalf.
And what do you two like about it?
I like it because I love babies, because it's always hundreds of babies.
I really like coming and just playing and being around children that are Catholics and are around my age, and just knowing that I'm not the only Catholic in the world.